Welcome back, savvy marketers. Today, we're diving into the extraordinary realm of affiliate marketing, but with a twist. Imagine skyrocketing your affiliate game without even revealing your face on YouTube. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, that's exactly what we're delving into today. The fusion of artificial intelligence and affiliate marketing on your very own Faceless YouTube channel. So, if you're ready to conquer the affiliate world incognito, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, if you're eager to jumpstart your journey with our game-changing AI system, just check out the URL on your screen. More on that later. Picture this. Raking in affiliate commissions while maintaining your privacy, no camera shyness required. If you've been hesitant about showing your face on camera, or if you just want to keep things mysterious, this strategy could be your golden ticket. And guess what? It involves tapping into the immense potential of artificial intelligence. Now I know what you're thinking. How on earth can AI help you rake in those affiliate bucks without showing your face? Great question. Let's break it down. 1. Smart content creation. With AI at your fingertips, you can churn out high-quality, engaging content without ever uttering a word on camera. Think about it. From script writing to voiceovers, AI's got your back. 2. Targeted audience insights. AI doesn't just stop at content creation. It's your secret weapon for unraveling the deepest desires of your target audience. Tailor your content to their needs, and watch those clicks turn into conversions. 3. Traffic magnet. The sweet sound of traffic without spending a dime on ads. Our AI system knows the ins and outs of getting eyeballs on your content. We're talking about leveraging trends, optimizing keywords, and snagging those search engine rankings. I know what you're wondering. Can this really work? Well, consider this. Industries are embracing AI left and right, and it's time for affiliate marketing to get a piece of the pie. But don't just take my word for it. There are plenty of fellow marketers who've witnessed their affiliate earnings soar thanks to AI magic. Are you ready to step into the realm of faceless affiliate marketing powered by AI? If you're itching to discover the exact steps to ride this wave of opportunity, head over to the URL on your screen. There, you'll uncover a simple, step-by-step AI system that guides you through driving free traffic to any offer you're promoting. Whether it's digital products, physical goodies, or top-notch services, we've got you covered, all without spending a dime on ads. There you have it, fearless marketers. A glimpse into the exciting universe of AI-driven affiliate marketing on your Faceless YouTube channel. Remember, success favors those who dare to be innovative. If you're ready to make waves in the affiliate realm without revealing your identity, it's time to harness the power of AI. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. I'll catch you on the AI-powered side of success. Don't forget to visit the URL. Until next time, keep conquering, keep innovating, and keep embracing the AI revolution.